trends can also vary greatly across different platforms and demographics, making it even more challenging to stay informed. What's trending on Twitter might not be the same as what's trending on TikTok or Instagram, and what's popular among one age group might not resonate with another. This adds an extra layer of complexity, requiring a more nuanced approach to staying up to date with trends. The constant stream of new information can be exhausting, and it's easy to get burned out from trying to keep up with every latest development. It's essential to find a balance between staying informed and avoiding information overload, prioritizing the trends that are most relevant to your interests and needs. Current trends are incredibly diverse, spanning multiple platforms and areas of interest. On social media, we are seeing a resurgence of nostalgic content, with many people sharing retro-style photos and videos. In the world of news, there's a growing focus on sustainability and environmental issues, with many outlets highlighting the importance of reducing our carbon footprint. In pop culture, we are witnessing a resurgence of 80s and 90s inspired music and fashion, with artists incorporating vintage elements into their work. The world of gaming is also seeing some exciting trends, with the rise of cloud gaming and cross-platform play. This has opened up new opportunities for gamers to connect with each other, regardless of the device they're using. In the realm of technology, there's a growing interest in artificial intelligence and machine learning, with many companies exploring the potential of these technologies to improve our daily lives. Bachpan transcend generations, with both younger and older people embracing the retro aesthetic. It's also a testament to the power of social media, which has enabled the trend to spread quickly and reach a huge audience. As we explore this trend further, it's clear that it's not just about fashion, it's about identity, community, and a shared sense of style. By embracing this trend, people are able to connect with others who share their interests and passions, and express themselves in a way that's authentic and meaningful. This trend is also reflective of a broader cultural shift, as people become more aware of the importance of sustainability and environmentalism. The fashion industry is one of the most polluting industries in the world, and the resurgence of 90s fashion is, in part, a response to this problem. By embracing second-hand clothing and vintage styles, people are able to reduce their environmental impact and promote a more circular economy. As we look to the future, it's clear that this trend will only continue to grow, as people become more conscious of the impact of their choices on the planet. The trend of 90s fashion is also closely tied to the music and pop culture of the time, with artists like Spice Girls, Backstreet Boys, and Britney Spears experiencing a resurgence in popularity. This is significant because it shows how trends can be interconnected, with different areas of culture influencing and informing each other. As we explore this trend further, it's clear that it's not just about nostalgia, it's about a desire to reconnect with the past and reimagine it for the present. By embracing this trend, people are able to tap into a shared cultural heritage and experience a sense of continuity and connection. In conclusion, the trends we've discussed today are a reflection of our society and culture, giving us a glimpse into what's currently captivating people's attention and interests. From sustainable fashion to 90s nostalgia, these trends reveal our values, attitudes, and aspirations, and demonstrate